In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully troubleshoot common battery issues on your Windows 10 laptop or tablet device. So please keep in mind that batteries don't last forever and a lot of issues cannot be resolved. It's just degradation of the battery itself. And, a troubleshooting utility isn't going to fix it, but some common issues can be resolved on the software side too. So that's what we're going to be exploring in today's tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result, check it back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, you want to select additional troubleshooters. And then going down underneath find and fix other problems, you want to select power and then select run the troubleshooter. And then see if there are any issues detected or any changes that might be necessary. And you can view additional information about what was actually looked for here as well if you want to click and go through that. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.